back. I am PJ North. This is Race TV Promotions on YouTube. Thanks for joining us here. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button and join us all the time. Hit that little bell so you know when new videos come out. And I'm bringing you a brand new segment today where we're going to go over something that Race TV Promotions has put together. They're giving away 4 dragsters this year. They're racing for them. $200 gets you in the race at the gate. It's going to be crazy. So we thought, what better way than to do a little sneak peek with these cars. There are so many great companies who are working with us, and we can't wait to tell you all about them, man. Showcase some of the parts, showcase all the stuff that they've brought to the table. And I'm going to hand it off to my man, Tyler Bohannon, who's going to go over the car and show you what they've done so far. It's a ton of stuff, and I hope y'all dig it. Again, we're giving the first one away. It's a Mullis race car at the TV Promotions 100K at Beech Bend Raceway Park. We are just 1 month away. It's going to be crazy. So I hope y'all like it. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe button. This is Race TV Promotions, and let's look at the giveaway dragster. Tyler, take it away.
Hey guys, Tyler here with TV Promotions. We are at Big Charlie's garage here where we put all of our giveaway cars together. Been here a long time. Hunter is hiding out, so you're not going to see him, but that also means we can show you awesome stuff, some parts that we have for the race car. We still haven't unboxed anything. Hunter's back, his tools are scattered everywhere, getting that organized, and then we're going to get started on this thing. So I figured, while he's not around, why don't we show off some of the parts? So come on, let's show you some of it. And the only way you're going to get to see this much of it is here on the YouTube. I know we're not really posting a whole lot of pictures, so this is about as much as you're going to see until the race. We want to show off the body there. Got a lot of nice parts here to go together. Everything from Mosier has come in. Mullis did a great job on the chassis, obviously. Got some new RVZ wheels for it, front and rear. We'll show you some of those. And like I said, plenty of parts here. We're going to kind of unbox some stuff and show it to you. We got all our motor plates, our mid plates here from Mullis. Got to get those in there. Shifter cables. And if you haven't seen this Titan shifter that Drag Race Solutions has, you need to check it out. Got one ready to go on this car right here. Got our Titan shifter solenoid to go with it. And this is enough digital delay for both cars. We have 2 cars in here right now getting ready to go together. Not only our Mullis race car for Bowling Green, but also our Folk race car for St. Louis. Getting ready just to get started on both of those. We have just enough stuff here for everything. Plenty of stuff for Hunter to get after for sure. Delay boxes, wiring panels, all the stuff from Digital Delay. Appreciate Charlie and the guys over there for getting us hooked up and getting some nice parts here to go together. Delay boxes, wiring panels, wire. We got just about everything around here. Hunter's all set up, getting ready to take off on both of these cars. Got his tools set up. Mickey Thompson tires. Got Mickey Thompsons for both of the cars we've got going together right now. And I haven't even opened this box. I don't know what the rears look like here, so let's check these out. From RVZ build. Wow, those are really nice. I believe that's a newer design from RVZ too. So new design going on this car for Bowling Green. And let's check out some of these parts we got back here. Obviously Mosier coming back with it. Got everything from Mosier that we need.
Two hours later.
All 40 spline stuff ready to go there from Mosier, third member. Got our axles over here also. This one I'm pretty excited about here. We got a new company coming on board with us this year on 2 of these giveaway cars. And we're going to show them off. Got TBM brakes coming on. And I don't know if you've looked at these kits here from TBM, but they're super, super nice. It's got a little bit of everything. It has everything you need, and it's organized right. So even your nuts and your washers and stuff, they come in a nice baggie with the bolts. Put all of this stuff together. Yeah, look at that. They do a fantastic job and making everything look really nice as well. Like I said, all your hardware is in here. It's all pretty self-explanatory. TBM does a great job with that. If you haven't checked them out, do so. But this is the first step. This is where we're at, getting ready to get all these parts going together, get some wire flinging around on this thing. So we'll be doing this kind of throughout the process, I believe, you know, to create some content for the YouTube and give you guys an exclusive look that everybody else is not going to get. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. PJ's doing a great job helping us out with that. So looking forward to it, and we'll be back with a new update.
So there is your first look at the brand new Mullis Race Cars 100K Dragster giveaway. Beech Bend Raceway Park. I cannot wait. $200 at the gate gets you in. Shout out to all the great companies. Check them out here, as well as the details. We want y'all to join us at Beech Bend Raceway Park for the 100K Shootout. Thank y'all, man. Shout out to Mullis Race Cars and all the sponsors on the car for doing this. Shout out to Tyler for helping us out today. Again, this is Race TV Promotions. YouTube, hit that like and subscribe button so you can see all the stuff you can't see anywhere else. I'm PJ North, and until next time.
I'm back like they wasn't gonna let me. Fueled up, I was born ready. Show up in the winner's circle, I pop the bottle and pop